There was a time when I was very obsessed with building my smart home system, but after testing many brands' products, the limited connection compatibility and complicated operation made me tired of this fake smart life. But recently, I found a surprise that pulled me back to it and allowed me to re-experience what I once rejected. It's Aqara, a smart home brand that has lineups closest to my imagination of future smart home. Although I haven't bought enough Aqara devices to meet my preconceptions, the limited devices I had has already made me anxious to introduce to you guys. While Aqara might not be as well known as some brands like Samsung, it has taken 6 years to build up its technology and has served millions of users all across 190 countries, which is the reason why I pick it onto my test list. More importantly, apart from their own Aqara Home app, the Aqara devices can work with the most existing smart home management systems, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, while the prices are more attractive. Generally, the first device that we use to build a smart home network is a gateway hub. The Aqara M2 is described as the brand's most advanced and future-proof smart home hub. While it did give me the best experience with great compatibility so far, it can work as a multi-protocol gateway with Zigbee 3.0 support, which is coupled with IR transmitter, Bluetooth low-energy gateway, and a Wi-Fi connection to support up to 128 devices in local automations. A great upgrade of the Hub M2's connection is the wired connection via Ethernet RJ45 port, which offers a much better stability and lower response time if you don't believe your Wi-Fi network. It's pretty easy to set up a Hub M2 with a built-in speaker. The best companion app to work with the M2 is no doubt the Aqara Home app. Once plugged in the power cable, you would hear a prompt voice telling you to wait for connection and the indicator flashes. Then open the app to start adding accessories and find the Hub M2 option. Just follow the steps on the phone apps and prompt the sounds of the hub, and then everything will be done so smoothly. Here I use Wi-Fi connection, so just pay attention you are connecting with the same network on the phone and the hub. After that, you are allowed to add multiple sensors and smart appliances via the gateway feature of the hub. If you have other Aqara devices, there would be the exact options available in the app's accessory list. I've ordered quite a lot of sensors, while some of them are still in shipping. So in this video, I will show you how to add up the T-Voc air quality monitor and another temperature humidity sensor to the Aqara Home and how them works with the Hub M2. Like other Aqara devices, they both have a reset button for pairing, so just find the sensors in the app and the app will remind us which hub we are gonna use for pairing. Only a few seconds to wait and everything can just be done here. Now you can view the sensor data in the app. They are presented in elegant card forms on the custom boards. Tap on it and you can see the complete record of air quality, temperature, and humidity via different sensors. Apart from Aqara devices, the hub can also pair with all kinds of IR remote controls. Here I added up my room's air conditioner, air purifier, and a TV in the living room. Now even I'm not at home, I can still control these appliances through the Aqara app. But note that it hasn't supported Bluetooth Mesh and 2.4G remote control by far. Apart from the remote control, I can also set up a bunch of scenes and automations among Aqara devices and appliances that pair remote control. For example, I can set conditions in the app such as detecting temperature over 30 Celsius or below 18 Celsius, and detecting somebody inside the room through an Aqara camera's human tracking, and then the air conditioner can be automatically triggered to adjust to its comfortable temperature like 26 degrees. Once it's done and detects the right temp, the air conditioner will be shut down automatically. Meanwhile, the app also provides a lot of preset automations. I believe you will find something useful for your family. So if you need a camera guardian to empower more AI functions, the Aqara Camera Hub G3 is definitely the best value in all of Aqara devices. In addition to work as an AI camera, it also includes almost all the functions to act like a Hub M2. If you already got the Aqara Hub products, the G3 can also be an extra hub with Zigbee 3 support to cover wider space and multi-floors. And all the Aqara devices in the IR control can be directly accessed through it without an extra hub or gateway. Therefore, the installation and the pairing is as convenient as a Hub M2. Once it got connected with a Wi-Fi network, regardless of 2.4G or 5G, users can just access a real-time video shot on the G3. The Guardian G3's basic feature surely works like an online security camera that supports 360-degree viewing angle, recording and saving video clips on the phone. If the environment is too dark, it will automatically switch to IR night vision to make sure it can see everything. It has the most user-friendly UI I've ever seen on a smart camera. The camera offers 2 resolution modes of up to 1296p 2K level for options. You can also use the auto mode if you are worried about a spotty network connection. As an AI camera, it can perform AI recognition independently, including human tracking, face detection, and pet tracking. And for face detection, it can even recognize known faces and unknown faces, and you can set it as a condition to activate anything it pairs with, give an alert, or just send a notification to your phone. Besides, it supports gestures recognition, which also makes it more practical and useful in comparison with other Hub products. It really feels great and easy to use your body language to tell the device what to do. Such as functions can be accessed in the app's scene and automation setup. For example, make a hi-fi gesture to power on appliances. And it's pretty easy to set up on Apple's HomeKit or Google Home for both the Camera G3 and Hub M2. Here, just to take the Apple HomeKit as an example, there's a HomeKit setup code under each Hub device. Scan it and the Hub will be added up in your Apple Home app and connected with the other HomeKit devices. And the G3 also supports both HomeKit Secure Video and WPA3 local storage. The data streams are encrypted and protected under the latest Wi-Fi security standard, while if you still do not trust it, the G3 also offers physical masking feature by a tilting motion. Once put it to sleep, the camera will tilt up to be fully covered, and it will show a cute sleepy face to tell users that privacy is protected well. So that's the reason why I restarted building the new smart home with Aqara devices. In addition to the products mentioned above, Aqara has a rich and diverse line of sensors, switches, smart appliances, and smart light for options. Obviously, Aqara's system has a lot of fun waiting for me to discover. Next, I'm going to install more sensors with the brand's smart lighting and roller shade driver. If there's anything interesting, I will update more video to introduce more. So far, almost everything feels great. The Hub's connection is stable enough, and the G3's human tracking and face recognition rarely misses a beat. It's no longer as disturbing as other smart home products. And most importantly, the affordable price makes me less torn when I try it. So that's it, and if you got anything you want to say about smart home, just leave it down in the comments. Thank you for watching. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.